Hi, let's get started with a very basic concept of statistics, that is central tendency. In a given data set, a single value that represents the center of a data distribution is known as central tendency. And this is also known as measure of central location. So there are three most common measure of central tendency, that is mean, median, and mode. Hi, all. This is Pallavi, data scientist. Please watch this video completely. Please share, like, and comment on this video. Now let us look at the mean. Mean is also known as an average. So it is a single value which is computed by summing all the values present in the data set and dividing it by the total number of the values. The formula for sample and population mean are the same. Only difference is in the data set. So now let us consider an example where five investments are made. Out of five, there are two instances where we get negative. So mean is got by summing both the positive and negative values and dividing it by the five. Some of the properties of the mean. So mean is also known as an average. Mean can be calculated even there is a negative value in the data set. And mean is not often a number that is present in a data set. Say in this example, we have 1600, which is not present in the data set. And sum of the deviation of each value from the mean is zero. You can observe that in the deviation from mean column, where when you sum it up, the total is zero. And if a constant is added or multiplied to each data, the mean gets shifted by a constant value. Now let us look at the group data. First, let us understand what is group data. Any data that is grouped together based on some category is known as a group data. So it's a slightly different way of calculating the mean. So we have a formula here, summation of fx divided by summation of f. So f is a frequency and x is a mid interval. Let us try to understand this in more detail. So here is an example. Let's say in a class, there are 55 students and then the marks is divided into bin of 10, so 0 to 10, 10 to 20 and so on. And the f is a frequency. Frequency is nothing but number of students falling under that particular category. And the class mark x is nothing but the mid of the interval, say 0 to 10, 5 is a mid. uh, and fx is got by multiplying the frequency by the mid interval. So we get the summation of f of x and summation of f. So the mean obtained here is 25.73. Let us look into advantage and disadvantage. So advantage is that it can be used for both discrete and continuous data. And since all the data in a data set are used here, it gives a true representation of central tendency of a data. And it is not affected by the sampling fluctuation. Disadvantage is that it cannot be used for categorical data and it is highly influenced by the outlier. And this is applicable only when the data is symmetry. For the skew data, this doesn't give a appropriate value. And it is not possible to calculate for open-ended group data since it's not possible to obtain the mid. If you understood the basic concepts of the mean, please try out this problem one and do respond in the comment section. Type your answers in the comment section. Thank you.